fell by the wayside like everyone else. I hate you, I hate you, I hate you, and I was just kidding myself. Now every moment I start to replace, 'cause now that you're gone, all I hear are the words that I needed to say. When you hurt under the surface, like troubled water running cold. Well, time can heal, but this world. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make your heart beat better? If only I'd have known you had a storm to weather. So before you go, was there something I could have said to make it all stop hurting? Kills me how your mind can make you feel so worthless. So before you go, was never the right time. Whenever you call, little by little until there was nothing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, kembali lagi bertemu dengan Kompas di Sukmori hari ini. Kali ini Sukmorinya kita spesial karena mendukung acaranya North. Dan saudara kita dari North merayakan ulang tahun yang pertama, hari yang pertama. Jadi yang mau join dengan Kompas, ayo, monggo silakan. Pak Kondoy.
But this world still